हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मेरिडियन ओवरसीज। अगर आप टॉप काउंसलर से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लाइव अपनी काउंसलिंग चाहते हैं, तो आप डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं। अपने किसी भी काउंसलर के साथ आप डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन करवा सकते हैं, वीज़ा फाइल सबमिशन करवा सकते हैं। तो वेबसाइट विजिट करें और अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करें ताकि आपकी सारी प्रोसेस स्मूथ रहे।
Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Visa and Immigration Updates. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest and useful videos. Canada's Provincial Nominee Programs, PNP, issued over 3,400 invitations to apply for provincial nomination during the month of August. Nearly every Canadian province and territory, except Quebec and Nunavut, operates its own Provincial Nominee Programs, PNP. Having their own immigration programs allows provincial governments to select the most suitable people to meet their local labor market needs and to manage the regional settlement of the immigrant population within their jurisdiction. Each province adopts its own criteria for selecting foreign workers eligible for Canadian permanent residence under its respective PNP. Since its launch in 1998, the PNP has become the second most important route to permanent residence in Canada. Between now and 2023, PNPs alone are expected to result in more than 80,000 immigrants per year being admitted as permanent residents. August 2021 PNP focused express entry highlights. Most participating provinces and territories have at least one PNP stream that is aligned with the federal express entry system, which is Canada's principal source of economic immigration. So far in 2021, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, has been holding PNP-specific express entry draws, on average, every 2 weeks. In August, IRCC conducted 2 express entry draws targeting PNP candidates, issuing 512 ETAs on August 4th and another 463 on August 18th. While the number of express entry invitations issued this past month was down compared to the months of June and July, the number of invitations issued through express entry is reaching record highs. IRCC has now issued over 100,000 ETAs this year. Saskatchewan. In August, the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, SINP, held a total of 4 invitation rounds through the express entry and occupations in demand subcategories of the International Skilled Worker category, issuing a total of 948 invitations to apply for a provincial nomination. This is significantly more than the 575 invitations issued by the province in July. British Columbia. Over the past month, the province has invited more than 900 candidates to apply for a provincial nomination through the Express Entry British Columbia skills immigration streams, closely matching the number of invitations issued over the past months. Ontario. The province held a total of 5 draws this month through the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP. The first draw took place on August 6th, with the province issuing 2 invitations to apply under the Employer Job Offer, Foreign Worker and Employer Job Offer, International Student Streams. These were targeted draw under the Economic Mobility Pathways Project. On August 11th, the province held its second ever in-demand skills stream draw under its new intake system and invited 48 immigration candidates. Candidates needed to be eligible for the needed to have job offers in sectors listed as targeted. On August 18, 2021, Ontario held its first round of invitations for the master's graduate and PhD graduate streams. Between 2 draws, the province invited 479 international student graduates to apply for a provincial. More specifically, Ontario invited 402 to apply for the master's graduate stream who needed expression of interest, EOI, scores, and 77 candidates with A scores of 17 and above for the PhD graduate stream. On August 25th, Ontario held a second master's graduate stream draw and invited 326 candidates with scores of at least 37. Lastly, on August 26th, the OINP issued 20 invitations through its entrepreneur stream to candidates with scores between 142 and 200. In total, the province of Ontario invited 875 immigration candidates to apply for provincial nomination. Alberta. In August, the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, AINPS Express Entry Stream held the biggest draw of 2021. The draw was held on August 10th and invited 396 candidates with CRS scores of at least 300. Manitoba. The province of Manitoba held 1 draw through the following 3 streams: Skilled Workers in Manitoba, International Education Stream, and Skilled Workers Overseas in August. The draw was held on August 12 with 275 letters of advice to apply issued, of which 36 were issued to candidates who declared a valid express entry profile. Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island held a pre-scheduled draw on August 19 and issued a combined 161 invitations to immigration candidates. Most of the invitations, 152, were issued to express entry and labor impact candidates. The remaining 9 invitations went to business impact candidates who had a minimum point threshold of 75. Thanks for watching this video. For any further information, kindly contact us on the email mentioned on the screen. Thank you.